guys, it's Paul from Online Sax Academy. In today's lesson, we're doing one of the most beautiful melodies ever written, Georgia on My Mind. And whether you're just starting out on the sax or you've been playing for years, you can really make this song sing on the sax. In this video, we'll do two different versions. For the more beginner version, we're sticking to the original melody closely. For the more advanced version, I've added in some decorations and a bit of improvising around that melody, so you can see how you can take that melody and make it your own. Now, before we jump in, if you want to follow along, you can get the free PDF of that beginner version, and the link to that is down below. And members at Online Sax Academy will also be able to get the advanced PDF along with the backing tracks for both versions. Now, I'm sure you've probably heard this song before. One of the most famous, of course, is from Ray Charles in 1960. But this tune was actually written back in 1930 by Hoagy Carmichael. And interestingly, the lyrics were written by a guy called Stuart Gorrell, and this was the only song he ever wrote. He actually later went on to become a banker. Now, you'll see that this score is written in 12/8. That's like the compound or tripletty version of 4/4. If you prefer to read it in 4/4, that's also available in that link down below. Alright, so let's start with this beginner version. Alright, now moving on to the advanced version, you'll see we've got lots more decorations going on here, but one of the things you might not have seen before are these dotted 16th notes. Essentially what's happening here is we're just dividing that beat back into an even 4 rather than the usual triplety 3 that we've had through most of it. And for those of you that are learning to improvise, you can take this idea and see if you can apply it in different areas of the tune as well. Alright, so here is this advanced version. Okay, now of course you can play this melody in loads of different ways. You can use these as examples and come up with your own versions as well. Remember to get that free PDF of the beginner version, the link to that's down below, and do check out everything else we have at Online Sax Academy. Once you become a member, you have access to all of the resources and all of the courses we have there. Alright guys, that's it for today's lesson. I'll see you guys soon.